just had a 4-hour meeting with a potential client here in Vietnam. And I will tell you, with my background of 50 years in business, looking at printing companies, especially label, RFID, converters, this operation had unbelievable technology capability, cleanliness, clean room environment, state-of-the-art equipment, beautiful facility, 10 million in sales and growing. And they're also global at this point, and they're looking at me to help them with a global platform and footprint, which I will do. But this company is not only a company in growth mode, I see them actually acquiring company in the United States. I also see them as poaching many salespeople and operators because the growth is tremendous here. Their suppliers are all major players in China. So the competitive advantage is definitely not only raw material costs, labor. They have all the technology. Freight shouldn't be a problem. Tariffs will be an advantage for them. So I see a lot of potential, man. So I left them with not only homework, I left them with the entrepreneurial spirit that they have and the hope of doubling their business over the next 3 years if they implement and execute my game plan. So I'm excited about that. So I just want to let you know that, and, oh, by the way, everybody's under 40. No shit. Everyone's under 40 with a lot of background in packaging, labeling, printing, you name it. But they have RFID, they have ribbon raw materials, they have all the best suppliers. What else do they have? The equipment was outstanding. Clean room environment, state-of-the-art technology, nice and quiet, very organized, one owner, entrepreneur spirit, and they're looking to grow. So I think it's going to be a great sweet situation for me. I hope it works out. I'll have a meeting with the owner to see if they're interested in my capabilities and my strategies. God bless.